Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to make a loop video for Instagram story. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now, I want you to do is to open your browser and search for kapwing.com. And by the way, you don't need to sign in, okay? I want you to do is to click on the three little lines at the upper left corner of your screen and select Tools. And now just go ahead and scroll down until you see the loop video. Okay, so loop video here. So now just go ahead and click on choose a video and click on upload, and you can also paste a URL. So now here is your video. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.